Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Conflict management. It's a process of limiting the negative aspects of conflict while increasing the positive aspects of conflict. The aim of conflict management is to enhance learning and the group outcomes, including effectiveness or performance in an organizational setting. Now come towards an organizational conflicts. So what are the main causes of conflicts at workplace? First is poor communication. Poor management system, HR system cause conflicts. Unfair treatment with colleagues and colleagues hierarchy also cause conflicts. Unclear job rules gives unclear results, so it causes conflicts. Inadequate training of staff, and even if the CEO is untrained, it causes conflicts. Poor communication among colleagues or hierarchy, and a poor work environment like inadequate light or systems and ventilation. It also includes organizational political environment or favoritism. Lack of equal opportunities for workers also cause conflicts. So what are the resolutions of conflicts on the workplace? It's very important that the authority of organization understand the conflict and then communicate about that conflicts with the opposition. Brainstorm possible resolutions and then choose the best resolution. Use a third party mediator if it's not in your control. Explore alternatives if it's a long term conflict. Cope with stressful situations and pressure tactics by useful strategies.